It's amazing. No, seriously, make this. It's so good. Hey guys, this is Jason with Life After the Before photo, and coming at you with a new Optavia lean and green recipe, and I'm going to walk you through how to make this. But first, let's get our groceries. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our onions, which I've already sliced everything, got it into proportions, and we're going to put that in with our garlic, and we're going to heat that about 5 minutes on medium high. Now it says to actually do this with beef broth. Unfortunately, I thought I had some here, so I didn't buy any, and I did not. So we're just going to have to use water, and we're going to saute these for about 5 minutes. So our onions, about a third of a cup of that. I might have used a little bit more. I used half a yellow onion. I didn't measure it by cup. And then I'm going to take, it also says use 2 garlic cloves. Again, we're cheating. Lots of cheating going on here. I'm going to use 2, or about a or a teaspoon and a half of garlic. Water. Oh, that is hot. It's a brand new stove. Alright, so we're going to let that go for about 5 minutes. You can see. Alright, so now that is, these are nice and sauteed, and I should have added some more water to this because they done burnt the bottom. It's okay, I kind of like my onions a little burnt. Oops. Well, now I'm going to add my sliced baby bellas. My baby bellas. Didn't get tender. So we're just going to mix all that in. I'm going to add a little more water to this and get it going. Okay, guys. So that's been cooking. Now that this is soft, it's nice, and the mushrooms are just softening up just a little bit. And now I'm going to add my roast beef. 1 pound of roast beef. Now it's thinly sliced already, but I went ahead and just cut it up a little bit more because we're going to be putting that into these peppers. So that's going to take about 3 to 5 minutes to cook all that together, and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, now that is cooked down and together a little bit, now I'm going to add in, I'm going to take it off the heat, and I'm going to add in the cream cheese. This is 4 tablespoons of delicious cream cheese. Now it says low-fat cream cheese, so sorry it didn't happen because the HEB cheap brand did not have low fat, and I wasn't paying 4 times as much for low fat. It's okay. But we're rounding about here, kind of like I'm still round. All right. Okay, so now that everything is cooked together, we've mixed everything really well. What you're going to do is you're going to lay out your bell peppers. You're going to put a 1/4 of a slice of cheese onto the bottom. You're going to fill them up as I've already done, and then you're going to put a 1/4 slice of provolone on top of each one. And during all of this, our oven has been preheating to 400 degrees. And as soon as I have all of these topped off, I'm going to open this up. And we're going to put this in here for 20 minutes. There we we go. So 20 minutes from now, we'll be ready to eat. All right, guys, so we have our finished product here. We do 2 as 1 meal, so I did 4 total. So that is, or 8 total. So that is 4 meals ready to go for the next week. Okay, guys, so that is done. I am waiting on it to cool off a little bit before I eat it. But I did try a little bit of just the meat beforehand. It is so good. So I can't wait to try it with the cheese. Anyway, that was about $2.77 per serving, which is 1 bell pepper or 2 halves. And that will last me 4 days for my lean and green. It's 1 lean, 1 lean, 3 greens, and 1 condiment. So hopefully if you're on the Optavia 5-in-1 plan, you'll enjoy that. Or if you just want to enjoy a really good meal, this is really something fairly easy to put together, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks a lot, and make sure to tune in. I'm going to try to do one of these every Sunday, and I will see you soon. Okay, guys, I had to come back and say this because after trying it, I was like, oh, this will be good. It's amazing. No, seriously, make this. It's so good. Like, I was not expecting like a moist, like there to be a liquid come out of it at the end, but it was just so good. Anyway, try this. Make this recipe. You will not regret it.